Assalamu alaikum students, I am Mr. Nafees and today in this video I am going to discuss about interview etiquette. Let's see what is interview. An interview is a way of face-to-face conversation between the interviewer and the interviewee, where interviewers seek replies from the interviewee for choosing a potential human resource. So in simple words, we can say that a formal meeting between two people where interviewer asks questions to interviewee to obtain information. Now let's discuss the things an interviewer should do before giving an interview. First, complete all the necessary paperwork appropriate for your interview. Whatever documentation we need in interview process, we should complete beforehand. Second, tailor your resume to fit according to the job requirement. Modify or add the relevant details in your resume according to the post you are applying for. Confirm your date and time for the appointment. Check when and at what time your interview will be scheduled. Know the nature of work you are applying for. Do research about the post and the work you are going to do if you are hired. Fifth, know some key information about the organization. Always obtain information about the organization in which you are applying for. 6. Research common problem faced by the organization. Means when you research about the organization, then do research about the problem and the challenges the organization is currently facing. Next, prepare the statement how you can help in resolving their problem. Prepare a convincing statement in which you tell that you have all the ability and the potential to resolve their problem. Know the answers of commonly asked interview questions. Conduct a research for knowing commonly asked questions and rehearse their answers. This is all you have to do before giving any interview. What kind of dress we should wear? Since appearance communicate a lot about person, do dress up like that you have already been hired by interviewer. So your clothes should be formal because in formal clothes you look professional and your clothes should be comfortable. Otherwise you will get distracted. Body language is an essential part of interview etiquette. Our body communicates more than words. So it is important for the interviewee to have an impressive body language. When you meet the interviewer, do extend a hand for a firm handshake and greet them. Keep a pleasant smile on your face throughout the interview. Sit straight with a slight lean forward. This shows that you are confident and attentive while communicating with the interviewer. One should sit in a relaxed manner. Stiff posture shows that you are nervous. One should display appropriate expression according to the situation and the topic of conversation. Eyes are the mirror of the soul. Maintaining eye contact tells about one's confidence and truthfulness. Avoid fidgeting because fidgeting shows that either you are bored or nervous. When you are done with the interview, then greet the interviewer and shake hands before leaving the room. Some important point to be remembered. Never arrive too late or too early. 10 or 15 minutes are the good enough to reach the interviewer's office. Second, first 30 seconds are very important to create an impression. As we know, A first impression is a last impression. So, first 30 seconds are enough to leave an impression in the interviewer's mind. Third, maintain a professional distance. Always maintain a professional distance with the interviewer, even though he or she act very friendly. Last, be a good communicator, but be direct and to the point. Always try to answer the interviewer's question in a direct manner. Do not speak about unnecessary things. Now, let's discuss what you have to do in the interview. Give a brief introduction. Introduce yourself in an impressive manner. Be an active listener. Pay attention to what interviewer is saying and listen to him very carefully so that you can reply correctly. Give specific and precise answer to the question. Always answer the question briefly and to the point unless they have asked for details. Address each question fully and ask for clarification if you do not understand. Try to give complete answer to all the questions, and if there is any confusion, ask for clarification. Do not speak too quickly. Speaking too quickly shows that either you are in a hurry or you are nervous. So it's better to avoid speaking quickly in the interview. Do not interrupt the interviewer. The interviewee should follow a proper turn-taking process and wait for the interviewer to complete his turn. Do not interrupt in between. Always show a positive attitude, that you are willing to do things beyond your abilities. Ask if there are any questions they would like to additionally clarify on. If there is any question they would like to ask in addition, then answer their questions. Tell what else you can offer to them. Basically, tempt the interviewer by offering additional skills and ability that you can offer for this job. Always end the interview on a positive note. Whether your interview went good or bad, always end it on a positive note and with a smile. Now, here are some common interview questions an interviewer should prepare beforehand. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What make you indifferent? What experience do you have in this field? What do you know about this organization? Why do you want to work for this organization? Why did you leave your last job? Why you are suitable for this job? Thank you.